welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your own very own batch of clove oil. For me, I use clove oil in my hair care regimen on a weekly basis, and it's been leaving my hair so healthy, strong. My hair is the healthiest it's ever been. I honestly believe that, y'all. Like, as y'all can see, my hair is so healthy, and I honestly believe that using clove oil has aided in the health and the length retention of my hair. So I'm going to show you guys how I make clove oil. All right, it's very quick, very easy, doesn't take a whole lot of effort at all, and I'm going to be telling you guys 7 benefits of using clove oil in your hair care regimen. So the first one is, obviously, it stimulates hair growth. Number 2, it eliminates dandruff in your hair. You guys, honestly, since I've been using this oil, I have not had dandruff, okay? Like, dandruff where, dandruff who? Like, I don't have dandruff anymore, you guys. I promise you, it will eliminate dandruff. Number 3, it prevents premature graying in your hair. Number 4, it reduces hair fall. If you guys noticed in the past few videos on my channel, I've had braids in my hair. And every time I take braids out of my hair, especially when I was using relaxers, I would have extreme shedding. But y'all, the past 2 times I've taken down my braids, I have not had shedding at all, like very, very little. So I honestly believe this oil have aided drastically in that area. Number 5, it adds shine to your hair, and we all love a nice shiny head of hair. We do not like dull looking hair, and clove oil really does help with that. Number 6, it enriches scalp health, okay? I truly believe that when you're on your natural hair care journey, you should emphasize the health of your scalp. We oftentimes just want long hair, we just want our hair to grow, but we often overlook the fact that you have to have a healthy foundation, and that foundation is a healthy scalp, and clove oil helps with that. So if that's one of your New Year resolutions of having a healthy scalp so that you can grow healthy hair, you need to keep watching this video. And the last benefit is it doesn't weigh your hair down. I love a good lightweight hair oil. So those are my 7 benefits, and if you want, you can research deeper into all 7 benefits. There's more benefits out there, but I just wanted to narrow down the 7 benefits on clove oil. So without further ado, let's get started. So you have to first start off with an oil, all right? I personally enjoy using grapeseed oil because, again, grapeseed oil is not a heavy oil. It's wonderful for your hair. Grapeseed oil is used in most hair oils on the market, so it is very much trusted. So I use grapeseed oil. I got this grapeseed oil from Whole Foods, and it's lasted me a long time. I would highly suggest going to like a farmer's market or something like that, and make sure you get a 100% grapeseed oil. You don't want to have all these extra ingredients in your oil. Whatever oil you choose, make sure it's a good oil. So I would suggest grapeseed oil. You can use vitamin E, you can use almond oil, stuff like that. But for my clove oil, I stick with grapeseed. All right, and obviously you need cloves. I use the ground cloves, okay? They already come grounded, so you don't have to get the actual cloves and then boil it and all that extra stuff. I just went ahead and got the ground cloves, and I got this from Whole Foods. And I'm gonna show you guys the consistency of it. You guys see, they already come grounded. So that's why I like the ground cloves. You also need some kind of application bottle to put your oil in. So again, I got this bottle from Whole Foods. So I got all three things from Whole Foods. You just need a bottle and a dropper, okay? So what you start off with, take the cap off of your application bottle. You take your oil, and this is what I do, y'all. Like, I try to make this as easy as humanly possible. You're just going to eyeball it. This does not have to be anything extra special. You do not have to measure anything out. You're just gonna eyeball it, honestly. Fill it up to where it's almost full. I don't know if y'all can see, but I put it all the way up to this line right here. And I just filled it up with grapeseed oil. Now I'm gonna take my cloves. And I'm gonna take a small little spoon. This is what I use to stir in my face mask, actually. So don't mind that. Make sure you have a little paper towel underneath so that you're not making a huge mess. But you're just gonna take a little spoonful of cloves, as y'all can see. This is really all it takes. I'm trying to get will the cloves just sit on your scalp? No, it will sink into your scalp. All right, it's going to do its job. You do not have to worry about that. And what I would suggest doing, if you're going to use clove oil in your hair care regimen, make sure you wash your hair at least once a week, you know, just to make sure it's not like a whole lot of buildup. But for the most part, it's going to sink into your scalp, okay? So you don't have to worry about that. And there you have it, you guys. This lasts me for a long time. This, along with my other oils, it really does aid in my hair growth. And I started using this, I'll say like back in like August, September, and I haven't gone back since. I personally love it. And before you use the oil, make sure you shake it up real good, and you should be good to go, you guys. Like that's really all it is. All right, just really just 2 ingredients: grapeseed oil, ground cloves. Put the oil in first and put in a few cloves, and there you have it. Voila, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.